Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to fix the Roblox error clash unexpected error acquired and Roblox needs to quit issue. So to learn how to fix it, watch the video. For the first solution, you need to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application. But do it correctly so you can fix the error. The first thing you need to do is right click the start icon and select run. In the run window, type app data and click OK, and open the app data folder. Go to local, search for Roblox. Now right click on it and hit delete. After deleting it, close out of the folder. Repeat the process once again. Right click on the start icon, go to run, type temp and click OK. In this folder, everything is temporary files. You just need to delete all of these files by hitting Ctrl A on your keyboard, right clicking and selecting delete. If anything is not deletable, click skip and hit continue. Make sure you delete all of your Roblox files, including Roblox itself. Now after deleting it, close the folder. Next, go to the search menu and type in Roblox Player and click uninstall on the right hand side. When the program opens, right click on the Roblox Player application and select uninstall. After uninstalling, close everything. Now you can reinstall Roblox. Most likely the error is fixed. If you're still having problems after reinstalling it, here's a second solution. Right click on the Roblox player and hit properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check run this program as an administrator and hit apply and OK. And after doing this, your problem should be solved.